is my 2005 Blata MiniBike 2.5. My parents bought me this Christmas of 2004. I was 10 years old. I had the original invoice for it right here. They paid $8.99 and shipping and handling on it was $1.75, which is kind of crazy because this thing weighs 37.5 pounds. I don't know how it came packed because it was a Christmas gift. I walked down Christmas morning and this was down there, which is a pretty sweet gift for a 10-year-old, and I've had it for the past 17 years. Got the owner's manual for it here, and it's pretty funny. The last line in it says, "Our wish is that the mini bike may serve you a long time and trouble-free, contribute to your satisfaction, and bring you a pleasure." This has definitely been a really, really fun toy. We're gonna take a quick look at it here, and then we'll take it out on the road. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. We've got the Blata Racing Team graphics, which gives you that light blue, orange, black, and silver design. We've got our Del Orto, NKG, and DID sponsorship stickers, although we are not sponsored by them. We've got my Drive 615 sticker here. This is a single cylinder, 2-stroke gas motor. We have rear disc brakes, as well as front disc brakes. And it's just pretty sweet. It's like a real street bike, except in scaled down form. It's made in the Czech Republic. We'll come back here. The weight limit on this is 242 pounds, so I'm 6'5", 200, so I qualify. You see a little chunk taken out here where I popped a wheelie and overshot it a little bit, and got a little bit of the exhaust right there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Take it for a ride. I got my premix here. It's 93 octane gas, 50-to-1 ratio with oil. So we'll just give it a little bit of gas, top it off, and get it out on the road and have some fun. You pull to start it. First things first, gotta turn the gas over here, crank that on. It's kind of tight. Everything's small on this bike because it's just so small. So we're gonna pop it over there. Gonna put the choke down. Gotta crank it on the stand because otherwise it'll fly off, so we're gonna try and get it here. Whew. One time this crank broke on us. That was painful in the winter, but we'll see if we can. You can see it's starting to fray a little bit on the end there. Man, can you believe that? That's crazy. I'm getting like hot fluid on or something.
Gotta take the fairing off.
Alright guys, so that's the inside of the crank shaft, and there's where it snapped in half. Well, hey. Come on! I see the head! Pull! Alright! Oh hey!
Come on, man!
It recoils. Look at all these nice tools my dad has, and a snake skin? What kind of snake skin in those? That is cool, but like... Funny. Alright, back on she goes. Back in business. So loud! Neighbors love us! Safety first, helmet, Alpine Star boot, half boots, gloves in case I take a spill. This is supposed to go 28 miles an hour, however I weigh 200 pounds, so I'm probably gonna slow it down a little bit. We're coming on an uphill right here. We got a speed reader right here, so we'll see exactly how fast we go. Check it out. guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I will take this to the drag strip and race it against whatever they'll let me. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. That's good. That's good. All right, we're good. That looked fun. Welcome to Drive 615.
Nice.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it.
It broke. I snapped the crank on it, but it goes 28 miles an hour.
Really?
Yeah, supports up to 240 pounds. It's a real like little street bike, so pretty cool.
How fast does it go?
28.
Really?
Yeah.
And you ride it, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Y'all have a blessed night.
You too.